Hey guys, welcome back to DelphStack, and this is how to download audio from Messenger. So guys, to do this process, first thing is of course go ahead and go to messenger.com, and from here just simply sign in into your account. Now over here, as you can see, I have one voice chat. So to download this, you can just simply go ahead and right click on it, and now you will have an option over here, inspect. Now guys, from here you should be able to see here network at the top. And now if nothing shows up like this one, as you can see it's empty, you would just simply go ahead and select refresh at the top left corner of the screen, and from here you should be able to have the mp3 file, as you can see over here. Now if you don't see this, make sure you are on the media tab over here, as you can see at the top right corner. And once you have double click on it, as you can see, you will have this file, and you can just simply select the three dots, and you should be able to download the voice chat on the messenger that you had with your friend. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.